In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chat on Zangi. If you've ever needed to save a snippet of a conversation, share a quote from a chat, or keep important details handy for later, copying a message is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly and give you a few helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open your chat in Zangi. That means launching the app and entering the specific conversation where the message you want lives. It could be a one-on-one chat or a group. Take a moment to scroll and locate the exact message you want to copy. Remember, you're copying a single message at a time, so pick the bubble that contains the text you need. This works with most text messages you see in the thread, including ones you sent and ones you received. Next, tap and hold, also known as long press, the message you want to copy. Don't just tap and release. Keep your finger pressed on the message bubble for a moment. You should feel a slight vibration or see the screen respond, and a small menu will appear near the message. If nothing pops up, try pressing again directly on the message bubble rather than on the timestamp or the profile picture. On different phones, the menu might appear at the top or near the message itself, but the action is the same. Long press to bring up your options. When the menu appears, choose Copy. You might also see other options like Reply, Forward, or Delete, but for our purpose, tap Copy. The instant you do, Zangi places the text on your device's clipboard. That means the message is now ready to be used wherever your device allows you to paste text. If you don't see Copy in the menu, double-check that you press the correct spot on a text message and not on a sticker, a photo, or a system notice. A quick tip: after copying, the text on your clipboard stays there until you copy something else, restart your device, or clear the clipboard. If you plan to use it, it's best to paste it sooner rather than later, just to avoid overwriting it by accident. And that's it. Open the chat, long press the message, and choose Copy. It's simple, reliable, and saves time when you need to keep important information at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, practice it a couple of times so it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.